welcome back to my channel and welcome to another makeup challenge video. If you didn't see my previous announcement that I did earlier on my channel, on this month I'm the co-host of the July 2020 makeup challenge. This is a monthly makeup challenge that was created by Elena Jenkins here on YouTube, and this is the second month that we are doing this challenge. This is the July 2020 makeup challenge, and we had as a theme for this challenge summer. We should create a summer makeup look using any palette that we want for that. So I want to thank again Elena for giving me this opportunity to be her co-host on this fun, really lovely makeup challenge. So if you want to see how I recreate this summer makeup look and what palette I have used to recreate that, just keep on watching. And also don't forget to check my community tab here on my channel and also Elena's community tab, and there is a playlist, and on that playlist you will be able to see all the other participants that have been participating on this challenge. Creators, I should have said. All the other creators that have been participating to this makeup challenge and to see their lovely creations. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and follow me on my Instagram. Also go ahead and subscribe to Elena's channel because she's really lovely and she does a lot of interesting makeup tutorials, reviews, unboxings here on YouTube. So if you enjoy my channel, you will for sure enjoy Elena's channel as well. Today I'm filming on my daughter's room because my room is still not yet prepared. I haven't had the time to arrange my vanity table. So probably the vanity tour that it has to come on my channel will be a bit postponed. But yeah, this is not about my vanity tour, it's not about my room, this is about the July makeup challenge that we are going to do on this video. For the sake of saving time, especially for me when I'm editing, I've already applied the foundation. My summer go-to foundation is this one by It Cosmetics. CC Plus oil free with SPF 40, and I also did a bit of a contour using this Makeup Forever Pro Sculpting palette. So I used this dark shade to contour, and you can tell how much well loved is this palette, especially the contour shade, which is gorgeous. If I could have this shade alone in a single pan, I will be totally happy. Okay, I also did my brows, but I still have one product that I want to use on this video. And by the way, on this video I will try with you together on camera some of the products that I just shown in the Beauty Bay haul and Sephora that I filmed yesterday. For my eyes, I'm thinking to use this Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette that I purchased from Beauty Bay. It is by Jefree Star. And I know there are a lot of controversies right now with this creator, but even I, for many times, I wasn't willing to purchase, to give any penny to this guy. But later I thought that I'm a makeup lover, I'm a makeup enthusiast, I love to try as many makeup brands, formulas and everything it is related on market, so I should not stand by my prejudgments and just take it as it is, a makeup product. So I will try it on this video and I will let you know if it is so well worth it and amazing like this brand is hyped. So now that we have finished with that, let's go into the makeup tutorial. So I applied my Smashbox 24-hour eyeshadow primer, but I did not set it. And since I've seen this eyeshadow palette, it does lack, it doesn't have a matte skin tone shade, I'm gonna use my trusty Creme Brûlée by, what is called, Makeup Geek. Not Makeup Geek, Wet n Wild. What's wrong with me? Now I will scoot you in a bit. So, I am thinking on this bronzy shade. I want to do a colorful look, but I will not use the purples for the moment. I think I will gonna use the Orange Crush, which is this orange pop of color, the Double Scoop, this Slice, and probably the Hot Fudge. I also like the fact that this palette has a mirror, and I didn't perform any swatches so far. I'm gonna start with the shade Double Scoop and use that as the transition. So my immediate reaction when I'm dipping a brush on this eyeshadow, it has a bit of a kickback. Look, I don't know if you can tell, but on the face I don't see any, and it blends almost by itself. So I don't know, guys. I love makeup. Maybe I should have used the Orange Crush as a transition, but it has a bit of a sparkle, so I don't know. Guys, this shade blends like anything else I ever tried. Seriously. So this Orange Crush, I want to put it on my crease. So definitely those shadows are meant to be together, to be married together, to have kids, because they are blending like a dream. And by the way, if you see that I look a bit with darker under eye, it is because I did not apply the concealer yet. I'm just waiting to see if I have some fallout. Because if I wipe my under eye area, then I need to apply again my cream, and that takes time. Now for my lower lash line, I'm thinking to mix the Orange Crush with the Purple Punch, because I know the orange and purple combination can also look good. And guys, I don't know, I'm not a big influencer, and I know that my opinion doesn't count, but I'm a bit disappointed by everything that happened recently on the beauty community. I didn't want to touch this subject, just I want to say that after 3 months of not hearing and knowing anything from Tati, that was not the video that I was hoping that she will bring. So I was looking to see some makeup tutorials, to hear about good news and everything to explain this silence, but not, no, this is not. This is not her. I'm sorry that I touched this subject on this video, but I was using this palette, so somehow some memories came into my mind, but I don't want to say more about this because it doesn't work. Okay, so I applied the Orange Crush and now I need a smaller brush, or maybe I'll use this one. I know that usually purple shades make me look sick when I apply them on my lower line. This guy, Jefree style, might be everything they say, even more, but one thing is true about him. He really knows how to create an eyeshadow for me. I will not take the credit of the makeup for the man. So, okay, now I will apply the concealer, and I have a new concealer that I have high hopes for it. Is by Makeup Revolution and is their Conceal and Hydrate. I have it in the shade C3, and I'm saying that I have high hopes because I had their Conceal and Define. some of the shades are being faded by my camera, but the combination is perfect. And to top up everything, I will use the Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine gloss in the shade Obsessed, and I'm really obsessed about this gloss. So this is my final look. This is my summer makeup tutorial using the Jefree Star Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette. It was a double challenge to film this video. First, because I was filming a makeup challenge look, and second, because I was challenging myself to create a different look that I'm usually doing on my channel, and I challenged myself to do it using this wonderful eyeshadow palette by Jefree Star. So I really love it. I wouldn't expect that I will have such a good opinion about Jefree Star shadows, so now I should shut up because you might think that I'm raving too much about him. This is my look for the July 2020 makeup challenge that was created by Elena Jenkins. Go ahead and check her channel and tell her that I sent you there. And also don't forget to check the other creations that are part of the July 2020 makeup challenge. As I said before, the playlist, it is available on both Elena's and my community tab, because I'm the co-host for this month, as I said on the beginning. So go ahead and click on that playlist, and you will be able to see all the creations from all the participants that are going on for this month. So I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. Please let me know in your comments down below what do you think about this look, and other than that, I want to wish you all to have a great, blessed weekend, have fun, have a great summer, and I'm looking forward to see you again really, really soon. Bye bye! Mwah.